night and stay together.
Wouldn't it be nice if we could wake up in the morning when the day is new, and after having spent the day together, hold each other close the whole night through?
Happy times together we've been spending. I wish that every kiss was never ending.
But wouldn't it be nice? Maybe if we think and wish and hope and pray it might come true.
Run, run, we'll.
Maybe then there wouldn't be a single thing we couldn't do. We could be married, and then we'd be happy. But wouldn't it be nice?
You know, it seems the more we talk about it, it only makes it worse to live.